Mr. Bonet.
All right, Mr. Bonet. Have you ever been skydiving?
No.
All right. Do you own a dog?
Yes.
You do own a dog?
Yes. Yes.
And final question, what are your thoughts about Mr. Pease?
Mr. Pease is good.
All right.
Great guy.
You ready to hear from him first? Are we rolling?
Yes.
What's your name? Have you ever been skydiving? Okay. Can you explain to me all the steps of an advanced tree diagram? All right. And do you own a dog? That's all I needed. All right, today we're here with Spilled Chocolate Milk. Spilled Chocolate Milk, do you know about an advanced tree diagram? Have you ever gone skydiving? All right, Spilled Chocolate Milk, do you own a dog?
Advanced tree diagrams, the problems can seem pretty wordy, but you all have to start at a point. So on here, it says that 100 people were interviewed at the mall, and of the 100, 43 were male. So you start with 1 point, and you draw 2 lines, because the 2 categories are male and female. So you write out male and female. So on the lines, you then figure out what percent each was. So of the 143 were male, so that's 0.43, and that means of the females, there was 0.57. The next step that it says is of the females that were interviewed, 4 had gone skydiving. So from there, you know that 57 females were interviewed. 57 divided by 4 is 0.07 had gone skydiving, and then 93% had not gone skydiving. Okay, of all the female skydivers, they all own dogs. And then of the females who had not gone skydiving, 72% own dogs. So from here, you go from off of gone skydiving to owns a dog versus no dog. All of them did, so it's 1.0, and then no dog is 0. And then of those who had not gone skydiving, 72% owned dogs, and so 1 minus 0.72 is 0.28, so 28% did not own a dog. So once you have the entire thing written out after going over all of the different parts, you then have to start here and go all the way down and multiply all the numbers together to get the final percent. Once you do that for all of the different arrows, you have to make sure they all add up to 1 in order for them to be correct.
Do not forget the arrows.
Okay, so an example of a problem that could be based off of an advanced tree diagram is, given that someone is female, what is the probability that they've gone skydiving? So the way that it's written out is the P of gone skydiving and then this big line, and that line means given, right? And then it says female. So what you would do is you would go back to this problem on the chart, and it says the given is the female, so that's the denominator. So female, the probability of being female is 0.57, right? So you come over here and you write 0.57, and then it's what's the probability that they've gone skydiving. So you come back in here, and of the females, 0.07 had gone skydiving. So 0.07 is the top, and this is the probability. So another example of a question that could be based off of this diagram is, what is the probability that someone owns a dog? So you write it out by the P of owns a dog. And so what you do is you go back to the chart, and you look at every single arrow that says owns a dog, and you write them all out and add them up. After you write them all down and add them all up, the probability that someone owns a dog is 0.7202. So our last question is, what is the probability that someone is male and owns a dog? So the symbol for and is a big N, so you write it as P of male N owns a dog. In order to find the numbers for this, you go back to the chart and you find only the males, and you find the probability of owning a dog even gone skydiving and not gone skydiving. So it's 0.0413 plus 0.2573, and it adds up to 0.2986, and that is the probability of being a male and owning a dog.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. A huge shout out to our supporters on Patreon who make videos like these possible for you all. I do want to say there's extra content down below. Furthermore, let's get a round of applause for Mr. Pease who make videos like these possible, filling our brains with knowledge. And what's that? Oh, looks like one of Mr. Pease's previous students wants to say a few words. Alright guys, till next time. What's going on, Mr. Pease? Cranjus McBasketball here. Had your class at Largo back in like 08. Was on the tennis team, made it to states, man. Still playing tennis. Some kid just asked me if I would be in his video. You know, not sure what this is all about, but just checking in, bruh. Dogs rule, cats drool, bro. Let's go. Deuces, man. Let's catch up.